Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the LTC coin. So recently we had a really strong market structure break near the $54 mark area, so a really strong and volatile candlestick movement which instantly filled this bullish CMA gap. Funny fact, just so. And since then we've just been having some kind of distribution slash accumulation zone forming here now. As of now, what we have marked for us is the previous local high, so formed by this massive candle here. And what we are looking for is basically break of this area, then break of this area, and eventually a target zone of this area here. So going to zoom out slightly to show you the bigger picture. As we had this bigger movement here, now some kind of consolidation, accumulation area, most likely price will move like this, break out this area, and just move towards this area. So overall, markets are not in the bullish phase, but because of this momentum happening right now and because of all the economical news that we are having, won't mention which ones, but I think you know already. So there is a high chance of seeing a quick liquidity grab to the upper zones, and this would be an ideal opportunity for us for a smaller long position. Going to explain also why we took this. Going to set first the targets here, so we break out from here. If we break out from this area, let's say this is the breaking point, our approximate stop loss would be somewhere in this region. So it highly depends where is the local low on the 5-minute time frame. So for example, if we would take for now the trade from current market price, then of course long here, and stop loss would be approximately in this region near the local low, so the previous low swipe. So depending on that, we also have to adjust our long position once we see this breakout here, but approximate risk and reward ratio would be like 1 to 2. So the target we chose based on the previous MSB area, so going to market at MSB and like that. So we had the strong market structure break without any proper retest here, and took the local high also of this candle here on the 30-minute time frame. So this is our ultimate target if we see the breakout from here. So we had the market structure break. We are right now in some sort of sideways channel without any proper downside movement. So sellers are trying to show some sort of pressure, but can't quite form a decent downside movement from here, which means that buyers are yet not finished with their upside momentum here. So we wait for the breakout structure here. As soon as we get the breakout structure, this is a smaller like check mark for us. Once we reach this point here, we would move our stop loss basically to the entry point of, so the break-even stop loss. And from here on, we would just glide to the upper zones. Now, this is the bullish setup that we are waiting for, and this is not like an action trade setup which you have to enter immediately right now. You have to wait for the perfect opportunity, which means we have to wait for this breakout structure to form here. As soon as we get it, we're going to a long position. But meanwhile, the price can just glide. As we mentioned, we have formed here. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame to give you the proper look here. So, okay, that looks funny. So as mentioned, we've been forming some kind of like lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and this kind of pattern here. So basically, how to put it here and this one here. So if we would drag just some random lines which aren't as random, we can see that we are in some kind of sideways channel with sellers showing the pressure, but with each sell side momentum it's getting weaker and weaker. So most likely we're going to see this breakout structure here, which we are waiting for as well. That's it. I think we have taken all the necessary points that we wanted to take here. Let's wait for the breakout structure. As soon as we get this breakout structure, we are going to the long position. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you tomorrow.